Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how you can use the training transfer tokens in your FIFA Mobile. So first, you can use the training transfer tokens to upgrade your player. So if you want to use it or if you want to do that, you can do this by first going or launching your FIFA Mobile on your device. And then after doing so, just tap onto the team section right here on your FIFA Mobile. And just wait for a few seconds and then tap onto your players. And then after that, you can go ahead and select the player that you want to transfer from your players to another. So I'm going to pick this one right here. So just make sure that the player that you are choosing is trained, so you will be able to transfer training level. So after doing so, you can go ahead and click this transfer training level right here, the arrow button, and then you can now select the player that you want to transfer to. So I'm just going to select a random one right here in order to show it to you. So right here, and then if you want to transfer, if you want to go ahead and transfer, you can go ahead and tap and the transfer button right here. And since I don't have enough transfer tokens or training transfer tokens, I cannot transfer any training from one player to another. So just make sure that you have enough training transfer tokens to be able to do this process. So if you want to earn some training transfer tokens, you can go ahead and do some training camps. So you can go back to the home button or the home menu here on your FIFA Mobile, and then go to the live events and do some training camp right here, and probably earn some transfer training tokens. So that's it for this video, and that is how you can use your training transfer tokens in your FIFA Mobile. And I hope this helped, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.